Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on writing fractions in a PowerPoint presentation. In this guide you will learn how to incorporate fractions neatly and professionally within your slides. To start, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is running, wait for it to fully load so that you can see the main interface clearly. It is important to ensure that you have the presentation you want to work on ready for editing. After launching the application, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation where you wish to add a fraction. You might already have a file open from a previous session, or you can select a new or existing presentation from your saved files. This step allows you to work in the correct context, ensuring that any changes you make will appear in the intended place within your presentation. With your presentation on display, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the main ribbon is located. Look for the menu option labeled Insert. The Insert tab contains a variety of options to add different elements to your slide, such as images, charts, and text boxes. By selecting Insert, you are preparing to integrate a specialized element into your slide. Within the Insert tab, locate and click on the button labeled Equation. This button might be found alongside other insert options that allow for mathematical content. The equation tool in PowerPoint is designed to help you insert and format complex mathematical equations, including fractions, which are often necessary when presenting technical or academic content. Once you have activated the equation tool, you will be presented with a few different options pertaining to equations. Among these options, find and click on Ink Equation. This feature is particularly useful when you prefer to handwrite or digitally draw your fraction rather than typing it out using a keyboard. Ink Equation converts your drawn input into a digital format that seamlessly integrates with the rest of your content. Now that Ink Equation is active, focus on drawing your fraction in the designated area. Use your mouse, stylus, or touch input depending on your device to carefully write the fraction as you envision it on your slide. When drawing your fraction, try to be as clear and precise as possible to ensure that the software recognizes the numbers and symbols correctly. Taking a little extra time here will result in a more accurate final product on your slide. After you are satisfied with the drawn fraction and have verified that the equation looks correct, move to the final step. Click on the Insert button to complete the process. This action will embed your fraction into your PowerPoint slide, allowing you to adjust its position, size, and formatting using standard PowerPoint tools. Now your fraction appears as a fully integrated equation element within your presentation. Following these instructions, you have successfully added a fraction to your PowerPoint slide. With practice, this process will become quicker, ensuring that your presentations are both professional and visually compelling. Enjoy creating clear and precise mathematical content in your slides using these easy-to-follow steps.